How to delete all pins on Pinterest. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you delete all pins on Pinterest. To begin with, first thing first, open the Pinterest app on your device. After you're logged in, this is how the interface will look. Now then, what next you need to do is here, click on the initials or the profile from the bottom of the page, and there you could find your pins, right? So you could tap on the three dot icon on this page, go to settings, and then you could find the pin section. So if you could find the pin section, you could go and tap on it. So you have these top pins. So go and click on the see all pins. And in order to toggle the button or to turn it off, you could just toggle the button at the filter icon in the top right. And then go to this all pin, or you could just go ahead and select hide and then click on the reset button. And once you actually do it so, you have successfully deleted all pins on Pinterest. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.